Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. And today on the chopping block, I'm going to be making you guys an inspired meal by Mack Kitchen and Grill. It's a one-pot recipe. It's going to be called Italian sausage pasta dish. Okay? And you're going to need you some rigatoni. You're going to need you some stewed tomatoes. You're going to need you some of this diced tomatoes with green pepper, rotel. You're going to need some tomato sauce. And this is some Parmesan cheese with Romano tomato paste right here. 1 green bell pepper. I have like 4 of these little mini bell pepper, red ones. About 3 yellow ones. And he had 2 of them. But I'm not going to use 2 of them because I got these other ones. And you need an onion, which I'm not going to use. I'm just telling you the ingredients that he had. You can go check out his channel, ASAP. If you like onions, I ain't gonna eat all this stuff by myself, and my kids and my family don't like onions in their stuff. You're gonna need you some garlic right here, garlic paste, some butter, some cheese, like a cup of cheese. This is mozzarella and provolone, little cheddar cheese, Parmesan and Romano. Alright, you're gonna need some granulated caramelized onion. This is my ingredients, okay? But this is inspired by Mack Kitchen and Grill. You're gonna need some basil. You're going to also need some spaghetti seasoning right here, Italian spaghetti seasoning, which is this. Okay, I put the wrong one up there. And this is just Italian seasoning, some granulated garlic, and you need some vegetable broth, star of the show. You need some Italian sausage. Now, he had hot Italian sausage. My family don't take lightly to hot stuff, so I'm going to go with this. And also, I'm going to be making some cheesy bread. Alright, some garlic cheesy bread. There's some Cabernet wine right here. So, anyway, I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. I just want to show you how he was doing these bell peppers. He was just slicing them up thin, like this. Alright, that's all he was doing. He ain't dicing, he just slicing, okay? Alright, I'm going to go ahead and complete the rest of these, and I'll show you the next procedure. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm back. These are the bell peppers I sliced up. Now you want to, if you want the onions in yours, you gonna dice you up the onion, and you want to cook all that stuff together. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and take this over there with our Italian sausage. And I did forget to mention the salt and the pepper that you're gonna need too, also. All right. So see you guys over there in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm over here, my cast iron skillet. Just while I'm cooking everything in, pretty much, other than the water with the rigatoni pasta. I'm just gonna come in here with a little olive oil. We're just gonna brown these bad boys up on all sides so we can chop them up. And my pasta over there, if you guys can see that, I salt that up with a little salt, like a half a teaspoon with salt and some olive oil. Alright, now I'm going to put my pasta in there. About half of the box. Alright, see you guys in a minute. So you guys, I browned them on each side. So I want to turn these. If you don't want to do this and you feel it's too tedious, you can put these also in the oven or an air fryer. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and keep working with this. And see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. Just going to take me a tablespoon of this butter. Put that in there. Put my vegetables in there. You're just going to saute those up, alright? This can take no more than probably about 3 to 4 minutes. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, here's my sausage. You just want to cut these, quarter them, as he say, just like so. all the way through. These just came out before I took that before I put the bell peppers in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and complete these up, just quartering them like this. And I'll see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. These cooking simmering while I was cutting up the meat. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna take that garlic. We're just gonna squeeze that in there. See if I can get all of it out. 2 tablespoons or 2 teaspoons. So a tablespoon and a half. Do that mixed up in here. We're gonna come in here while it's salty. Like that. Put this down for about another 5 minutes. We add our rest of our ingredients. Alright? See you guys in a minute. Alright fam. Been in about just 4 or 5 minutes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take a half cup of this Cabernet red wine. We're gonna take that alcohol out of here. Like that. About 2-3 minutes on this. It will start forming its own gravy. We ain't trying to do all of that today. We're just gonna go ahead and get our tomatoes and all that good stuff. And add those in there. 2 tomatoes and tomato sauce. Alright, now I'm going to turn this to simmer. Get my spoon. I'm going to like move this stuff around up in here. I'm going to have a thick, rich red sauce to this. Alright, so now I break up some of these tomatoes as I go. I do need to put a little sugar in that and the butter. I'm going to take a pinch of sugar. How about a teaspoon? How about that? A little black pepper. Granulated garlic. Just a little bit now because we're going to have garlic bread. Some basil. Maybe like a half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of that. Some Italian seasoning. And my spaghetti seasoning, which I grinded up, okay? I told you I gotta trick my peoples. So that's like a tablespoon and a half. I'm just gonna mix this together. Now, what I'm gonna do is take some of this vegetable broth to balance it out. So 1 burn cup of that. And we're just going to let this guy simmer for about 20 minutes. All these seasonings come together. We'll give it a taste. I might need some salt. Nope. No salt. That tastes amazing. But I do need my butter, right? Teaspoon of butter. Like so. A little bit more with some of this tomato paste. I really don't need none, but I'm just going to add it anyway because I said it was in my ingredients. So that's like a tablespoon. And I'm going to have to add some more of this broth. This vegetable broth. Because we're going to have it too thick, and I don't want it too thick. Alright. Alright. Like that, guys. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and let this simmer for about good 20 minutes, 25 minutes. And we put all this other stuff together. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Oh, I forgot my secret ingredients, my caramelized onion. Oh my goodness, I was rushing. I'm hungry. So probably like a tablespoon of this, because it tastes super delicious, guys. You gotta try that by Kinder. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. We're just gonna start working on this garlic bread. Cheesy garlic bread. I'm gonna cut this up. Just showing you guys how I'm cutting it up. Alright, got them all cut up. I'm gonna come in here with some of this Lawry's. Now this has salt in it. If you don't want to use this, you can use granulated garlic with some, I'm lightly coating it with like some parsley flakes or whatever. Alright, I'm just lightly coating this. And I'm coming in here with some of this truffle Parmesan black garlic. Now you can do two things. You can cook it like this, or you can put some olive oil on it. That's the traditional way of Italian cooking. I'm going to use some spray butter on mine. Alright, let's get my spray butter. I'm going to spray it down. Alright, so that should be it. Now we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven. Let it brown on the top. I'm going to charbroil it. And let it brown on top, and then we'll flip it over and we'll put the cheese on the other side. See you guys in a minute. Okay fam, I'm back. That's how that looks. We're just going to flip these over like so. Try to bring them close together. We're going to come in here with some cheese. Now if you want to, you can spray it down again. Alright. Come in here with some cheese. Alright, that's all that. I'm going to come in here with some of this Parmesan Romano. Alright, and the yellow cheese. Alright guys, we're going to put this back in the oven and let that cheese melt. And then I'll take you back over there and we finish up this pasta. Hold on, I forgot my Parmesan Romano. Put a little of that on there as well. And this don't take nothing but a second to do. Alright guys, see you guys in a minute. Alright fam, here's my garlic bread. It ain't taking no more than about 30 seconds to do. But look, that's how it turned out. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and start working on this pasta. See you guys over there in a minute. Alright fam, I'm back. Here's my pasta right there. My sauce is done. I'm just going to start scooping this stuff in here. And the reason why I'm doing like this, because some of them going to get cheese and some of them not going to get the cheese. Alright, turn it around. So we pretty much just going to let this simmer in here. Alright, that should be enough for that. Alright guys, now this is what I'm going to do. Now go ahead and put some of this cheese in there. Some of this Romano. Turn this down on simmer. Like so. And some of this mozzarella provolone cheese. About a half a cup of that. And remember, we got cheesy garlic bread. All right, just stir this in here. And let this dough kind of come together. And then next time you see me, be plating up. See you guys in a minute. Okay, fam, I'm finally done with this Italian sausage pasta dish. All right, let me show you guys that up close. That's how that looks. There's our cheesy garlic bread right there. Inspired by Mack Kitchen and Grill. That's right, that's my bro. Y'all make sure y'all go out and check out that recipe that he put out there. And I'm telling you, the boy can cook. I ain't gonna even lie, that's my dog. I ball till I fall with him. So, guys, if you like this recipe of Italian sausage pasta, please give me a like and a share. And please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to, that's right, you already know, hit that bell so you too can be notified next time I upload another delicious recipe. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Much love and happy cooking.